Good morning everyone. Our today's topic of rectification of error is recording in wrong subsidiary book. Now what are the types of subsidiary book? Sale book, purchase book, sale return, purchase return, etc. So see. First one is correct amount is recorded in the wrong subsidiary book and wrong amount is recorded in the wrong subsidiary book. So let's discuss one by one. Our first case of this topic is correct amount is recorded in the wrong subsidiary book. See its example. Credit purchase of 330 from Ram wrongly passed in the sale book. We are purchasing goods from Ram on credit. What is our actual entry? Purchase to Ram, but we have recorded in the sale book, means we have passed the entry Ram to sale. Now see how will we correct it. Our actual entry is purchase to Ram. We didn't debit purchase account, so first of all we will debit purchase account. Clear? Then we wrongly credit sale account. To correct it, we will debit sale. And also Ram is on credit side, we will write Ram on credit side with the amount 720. Why 720? Because we have not recorded in the credit of Ram 360. We will record 360 on the credit of Ram, plus we have wrongly debited Ram by 360. So to make it correct, we will credit Ram again, and this actual credit total is 720. Clear? I am repeating once again. Our actual entry is purchase to Ram, but we have made Ram to sale. So to make it correct, firstly we will debit purchase because we didn't debit purchase. Purchase account debit, then we wrongly credit sale. To make it correct, we will debit sale and to Ram. In purchase 360, in sale 360, and in Ram 720. Why? Credit of 360 this one, and to make it credit 360 this one, total is 720. Clear? See next example. Goods returned to Mohan 400 but recorded in sale return book. What is the actual entry? Mohan to purchase return 400, but we made entry sale return to Mohan. So how will we correct it? Firstly, we have to show Mohan on debit side. Mohan debit. How? Now what is the amount? 400 plus 400. Why 400 this one and 400 of this amount? Mohan is on credit side. To make it correct, we have to debit this amount. We have to debit this 400. So on debit of Mohan is 800. Now next is we didn't record in purchase return account on credit side. Now we will record on purchase return account on credit side 400, and we wrongly debit sale return. Clear? So to make it correct, we will credit sale return. See sale return. So this is the way to correct entries recording in subsidiary book. Then next is bill accepted by us in favor of Amit. Means we are accepting bill, means we are buyer. We have purchased goods from Amit and we are accepting a bill. But is journal entry of accepting bill, that is Amit to bills payable. But we have passed entry bill receivable to Amit. So how will we make it correct? First Amit will be debit with double amount, that is 600. Then bills payable on credit side we didn't record. We record on the credit side bills payable 300. Then bill receivable we recorded on the debit side, and to make it correct we will write bill receivable on credit side. Clear? This is the topic correct amount recorded in the wrong subsidiary book. Now see the next. Wrong amount is recorded in the wrong subsidiary book. Purchase of goods from Krishna 380. You are purchasing goods from Krishna 380, recorded as purchase from Mohan. We are purchasing goods from Krishna, but we recorded in Mohan, and amount is also changed. 380 purchase we recorded as 830. This is overcast. Now see what is the actual entry? Purchase to Krishna 380, but we passed purchase to Mohan. Now see, this is overcast, means purchase, in purchase there is 380 but we record 830. So purchase account is overcast by 450. To make it correct, to make the overcast correct, we will do entry reverse. So purchase will be on the credit side because it is overcast by 450. So we will credit purchase account. Now see, we didn't credit Krishna account, so we will make credit Krishna by 380. And other thing is that we wrongly credit Mohan. So to make it correct, we will debit Mohan by 830. Clear? Now see next example. Credit sale of furniture to Ritesh 870, recorded as sale to Hitesh 780. So our correct entry is Ritesh to furniture, but we passed Hitesh to furniture. Name is changed and amount is undercast. So see, how will be correct? Furniture account is credited with 870, but we credited with 780. Undercast by 90, so we will write furniture on the same side, on the credit side by rupees 90, undercast amount. Then we wrongly debit Hitesh. To make it correct, we will credit Hitesh by 780, and we didn't write in Ritesh, so we will debit Ritesh also by 870. Clear? Next is goods bought from Shyam. 250 recorded in sale book as 300. So what is the purchase entry from Shyam? Purchase to Shyam 250, but we recorded in the sale book as 300. We made entry Shyam to sale 300. Now how will we correct it? See, we didn't debit in purchase, we will make debit purchase by 250. Clear? We didn't credit Shyam, we will credit Shyam by 250, plus this Shyam is wrongly debited. To make it correct, Shyam will be on credit side by 300. So in Shyam, total is 250 plus 300, that is 550. And we wrongly credit sale also. To make it correct, we will debit sale by 300. So simple funda to rectifying entry is that if you wrongly debit any account, you have to make credit that account with same amount, and if you have wrongly credit any account, then you have to make debit of that account with the same amount. Clear? So this is our topic of mistake in subsidiary book. Today practice these questions.